Welcome guys. The hot air fryer's oven can reduce 90% oil for healthy diets and allows you to make crispy entrees and side dishes with no or less oil. Cooking with the air fryer is a fun and easy way to provide your family with healthy and delicious meals. In this video, Top New Tech brings 5 best air fryers in 2021. Through extensive research, we have put together all the products in list and mentioned their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the 5th number we listed Comfy Digital Air Fryer. It comes with 8 built-in smart programs, including air fry, toast, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, reheat and frozen food with no hassle. It's easy to use and helps save time. Temp and time adjustment for cooking preference. Temperature range from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, time range from 1 to 60 minutes. Except dehydrate program from 90 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 24 hours. The shake reminder notifies you when to flip foods for an even fry. The beveled LED digital touchscreen makes it easy to operate. It has a release button that safely separates the basket from the drip barrel. The sleek designed air fryer can be placed on your countertop or in your cabinet. This large air fryer is BPA and PFOA free. It has a detachable non-stick coated basket that is easy to clean. The 5.8 quart square basket fits a 5-6 pounds whole chicken and serves a family of 3 to 5 people. Detachable non-stick basket makes cleaning a breeze and makes sure to use soft sponges and cloths to keep the air fryer in great shape. This air fryer is FDA compliant with auto shutoff and overheating protection. Your family will enjoy a multitude of fun meal options. This air fryer is available on Amazon. On the 4th number we listed Sakura Air Fryer. Sakura 5.3 quart hot and crispy electric hot air fryer combining function, quality and design in everything they make. The function rapidly circulating hot air technology fries, roasts, grills, reheats and bakes for greaseless and efficient. The countertop cooking locking large fry basket cooks dinner for one or a family feast. Perfectly intuitive and responsive controls with a temp range from 180 degrees to 400 degrees and a 60-minute timer. Pan and metal basket are removable, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It gives great taste without the oil, mess, calories and guilt of deep-fried foods. The quality 1700-watt motor heats up quickly and saves energy. Heavy-duty design gives you years of use. The smudge-resistant exterior for easier cleaning. It arrives in gift quality box. The user manual design capacity for cooking larger meals in less time. The convection technology seals in flavor and moisture without added fat or grease. A modern countertop design complements any kitchen decor. Sakura is proud to bring you high-quality products in the kitchen, health and beauty and fitness areas. This air fryer is available on Amazon. On the 3rd number we listed Newwave Brio Air Fryer. The Brio uses superheated air and a special airflow design to cook crispy delicious fried foods without messy oil and extra fats and calories. Flavor infusion technology allows you to air fry all your favorites. Even cook from frozen, without defrosting. Perfect for busy households on the go. The Brio's cooking technology means you can use it for virtually every meal of the day, and dessert. With a cooking range from 100 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit degrees, adjustable in 5-degree increments, and the included non-stick baking pan and cooking rack, you can air fry, broil, roast, grill, bake, reheat and even dehydrate. All in one appliance right on your countertop. With the basket divider you can ever cook 2 things at the same time. This is one appliance that does it all. The 6-quart Brio is the perfect size for cooking 3 pounds of French fries, 4 chicken breasts, over 2 pounds of wings and much more. It's compact for small apartments, RVs and dorm rooms. The perfect size for singles or couples. The air fryer revolution, and now the Brio is rated best in performance, features and value. This air fryer is available on Amazon. On the 2nd last number we listed Ultra-Eon Air Fryer. With Ultra-Eon Air Fryer you can enjoy the same fried and crispy foods with less fat and grease. This sleek cooking machine creates wonder meals with less effort. Get a multi-function cooker that saves your time and money. Aside from air frying, you can also grill, roast and bake your favorite food with its innovative heating system rapid air technology, which is designed to cook your food evenly without the hassles of using hot oil or thermometer. With accessible buttons and an easy cooking setup, it comes with an auto switch-off timer 0 to 30 minutes and adjustable temperature setting 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a non-stick pan, heat-resistant handle and a detachable dishwasher-safe basket, so it's easy to cook and clean the unit after cooking. This scratch-free, heavy-duty air fryer fits every culinary enthusiast. You don't need to be an expert to use one as it's easy to operate. With an LCD display and a bonus recipe book to help you prepare your fried food, snacks, grilled and baked foods. The Ultra Ion Air Fryer comes with a cookbook with various sumptuous recipes that you can try. This air fryer is available on Amazon, and on the last we listed instant Vortex Air Fryer. The Vortex Air Fryer comes with 4 built-in smart programs: air fry, roast, bake and reheat, in one appliance that you can say sayonara to kitchen clutter. The simple touch controls are easy to read and easy to use for one-touch air frying, roasting, baking and reheating with no hassle and no mess. The quick and tasty meals using 95% less oil and fat than deep frying. With little to no preheating time, whip up dinner in half the time of a conventional oven without heating up the whole kitchen. The Vortex Air Fryer circulates super hot air around your food so it cooks evenly and locks in moisture, giving your meal a delicious crispy, golden finish, without all the oil and grease. Enjoy all the rich flavor of deep-fried cooking, without the oil, grease and mess. Get perfect, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside results every single time. The air fryer basket is large enough to fit a 2-pound bag of fries or a 4-pound butterfly chicken. This air fryer is available on Amazon. These 5 are the best air fryers in 2021. You can choose any one you like. For any information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.